Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some of my favorite holiday shakes. And I'm starting with the sugar cookie milkshake, which is my favorite. And I'm using this marshmallow fluff around the rim to decorate the cup. So I'll be rolling this in the red and green holiday sprinkles. And just a tip, you may have to press down a little bit more to get them to stick. Now on to making the shake. I am making all of these single serve, so I am using only 3 heaping scoops of ice cream. You can also use 4 depending on how thick you want the shake, and about a 1/3 cup of milk here, and 2 sugar cookies. And then blend it until smooth. Now grab your decorated cup, pour in your shake, and top it with some whipped cream and extra sprinkles. And the next shake is eggnog, and I will be crushing these ginger thins to decorate the outside of the cup, using that marshmallow fluff again to help the crumbs stick. And for this shake, I'm using eggnog ice cream, 3 scoops of that. Again, you can use 4, but I'm using pretty heaping scoops of this, so it was enough. And I'm also adding a splash of this Southern Comfort eggnog and some milk. And blend it until smooth. Grab your cup, pour in your shake, and again top it with some whipped cream and some additional cookie crumbs. And the last holiday shake is the Peppermint Mocha, and I am using crushed candy cane as well as melted chocolate that I did melt in the microwave to coat the rim. And one thing I forgot to mention with the last 2 shakes is that I did chill the cup in the freezer after decorating. And for this shake, use 3 to 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, about 1/3 cup of milk, which I forgot to record here. I got distracted, but I did add it in later. Adding 2 candy canes, some dark chocolate syrup, about as much as you want, honestly, and these candy cane kisses, which are completely optional, and blend that until smooth. And to decorate, I added a candy cane, a piece of chocolate, and some additional candy cane pieces. Let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite holiday shakes. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.